Hey everyone, it is Sparkle, and welcome back to my Bluetifall series. Bluetifall. Okay, so this is a part of my Bluetifall series, and I do have a playlist for my fall 2024 decorations. Okay, and this is going to be a part of it. But today I am going to do another DIY for fall season. This is going to be a really easy DIY tutorial. Really simple, really simple. So I have all the items that I am going to use. I already have some of my florals. These are from Dollar Tree. And then I have some that I've already had stored away. So I had used these before. I brought these out because I may use them. And I have my glue gun and some glue sticks and my cutters. Okay. Now I did go to Joann's. I went to Joann's and I picked up some florals for the fall season. I got them 40% off because right now, just like Hobby Lobby, just like Michael's, y'all, they have a 40% off sale. I believe yesterday was the last day. That was the 21st. I think it was the last day. Y'all might want to check, okay? So, um, like I said, we're gonna make a wreath. Now, I'm not going to use all the florals that I got from Joann's. I'm not going to use all of them because some of them I'm going to include in my decorate with me when I decorate. But I have a few that I'm going to use for the wreath. Now, this is the wreath that I picked up from Joann's. What was this? This was 40% off. So I think it ended up being $13.99. I think that's how much this was. But this is the wreath that I'm going to use. Now they do have other wreaths there that are, that are made like this, the sticks. But those are the kind that are like real sticky. I don't like those because I always get stuck. I don't know, it's just a mess, but I don't like that. But I like this because it's more smoother. Okay, so this is what I'm going to use. Okay, and like I said, I have the florals. I'm not going to get them all out. I'll just tell you which ones are from Joann's once I start to make the wreath. Okay, so let's get started. All right, you guys. So first I'm going to start off with these fall florals that are from Dollar Tree. These were $1.25 each stem. So what I'm doing is just gathering them up together, trying to see how many that I'm going to use. And then I'm going to take my hot glue gun and glue it onto the stem and put it in between the wreath, right in between those branches. So I think I'm going to go with 4 or 5. It doesn't take that much glue, just a few dabs, maybe like 2 or 3. And I did get the glue gun from Hobby Lobby. So I've had it for a while, so it's a pretty good glue gun. It works really well. This was, I think it was $9.99 or $12.99. Now I'm going to add a bit more color, and I went with green. These are hydrangeas that I got at Joann's for 40% off. So I'm going to add maybe about three hydrangeas in there, the green ones. So by adding the green, it's really going to make the blue stand out more. I have some blue hydrangeas. These are also from Joann's. They are a part of the fall season collection. These were 40% off as well. Now I'm going to add these white leaves. These are also from Joann's. They were 40% off. So everything that I'm using that's from Joann's was 40% off. And I also have one more floral stem that I will be using. It is from Dollar Tree. You guys will see that in just a minute. So now I'm going back in with the white leaves. But the first time I did it, I used the shorter ones. I cut them shorter, and then this time I kept them just a little longer. So I'm just going to go back and put them right beside the shorter ones. Now I'm going to go in with these picks that are from Dollar Tree. They are leaves and they are gold and glittery. So I thought these were really, really pretty. So this wreath that I'm making is going to be really big. I wanted to make a statement. So I am adding a lot of different florals, mainly hydrangeas, leaves, and I will be adding a little something to finish it off. You guys will see that in just a minute. All right, so here is the wreath. This is how it turned out. And let me give y'all a close-up. So I put a little string here to hang it. All right, so we have some hydrangeas, some gold leaves, added a little white, and I added these feathers. Okay, the feathers are from Michael's. So yeah, this is the wreath. So it turned out beautiful. I do have to do, let me set this over here. Okay, so I have a few more arrangements that I need to make for the fall season. I'm not going to do my decorating just yet, but I'm just trying to finish up some things and then I'll start decorating. So I'll probably decorate next month, the beginning of September, but I want to make sure that I have all my arrangements and things like that finished. But that is it. I hope y'all enjoyed this video and I will see you next time. Thank you for watching.